Look up tonight and pick out a star. The light hitting your eye right now left that star years ago, sometimes before you were even born. And on the map of the universe, that star is basically next door. So how big is the universe, really? To feel the true scale, we have to zoom out one step at a time. Fair warning, it gets absurd fast. Hold on. Start at home. Light is the fastest thing there is, 300,000 kilometers every second. Even so, it takes a full 8 minutes to travel from the sun to your face. Now zoom out to the whole solar system. Light needs more than 5 hours just to reach the edge. And Voyager, the fastest thing we've ever launched, has been flying for almost 50 years, and it's only just left. Keep going to the very next star. At light speed, it's 4 years away, and in between almost perfectly empty space. Space isn't crowded, it is mostly, overwhelmingly nothing. Zoom out again to our galaxy, the Milky Way. 100,000 light-years across, packed with over 100 billion stars. Imagine every one of them as a grain of sand. Together, they would cover an entire beach. And our sun is just a single grain. And the Milky Way is just one galaxy. Out there are around 2 trillion more, strung across the darkness in vast glowing threads. Every dot a galaxy. Every galaxy billions of suns. Put it all together, and this is the observable universe. 93 billion light-years across. And that is only the part whose light has had time to reach us. Beyond the edge, it may simply go on forever. So here you are, smaller than small on a grain, orbiting a grain in one of trillions of specks. And yet, you are the part of the universe that looked up, did the math, and understood it. If that broke your brain a little, good, then you're paying attention. Follow Focal Point for a new video every Wednesday and Sunday.